Hey guys, happy Tuesday. We're going to go over our announcements for today and your assignment for today. So we're on our course page. Under the announcements section, we're going to click on announcements for Tuesday, April 21st, Digital Learning Day number 22. All right, so happy Tuesday, everyone. Guess what? We have 22 more days of school. Your overview for the assignments for Tuesday, April 21st. It's the video I'm making. It's going to go here. Agenda for today. Today we will continue focusing on nonfiction. For the next 2 weeks, you will be closely working with the text Brazil's Snake Island Legend Meets Science. Reminders are the exact same. There are less than 5 of you that have not submitted your Young Arthur Traditional Literature Assessment. You need to make sure you do that. It is a test grade. For those of you that have not checked your grades, you can go into Google Classroom and look at them. They are in the grade book. And then number 6, there are a handful of you that have still not completed your USA test prep from Thursday and Friday. You can click here to access your assessment. It gives you directions on how to locate it within USA test prep. It's a test grade and you have 3 attempts if you're not satisfied with your score. Questions or concerns, you can click here and it'll take you to the discussion board, or you can email me, or like I said, the easiest way is for you to just private message me through Google Classroom. And those of you that have been doing that know that I get back to you pretty much right away. So let's go to our calendar for today and see what we're doing exactly. So Tuesday, remember that you need to be clicking the arrows down here in order to scroll to the next day. So it doesn't matter what day you click on your calendar. You could click on Thursday and Mondays will still come up first because the entire week is in here. Okay, so if I'm going to go to Tuesday, I have to click the arrow button over to Tuesday. So today we're going to be focusing on citing textual evidence. So AKS 10, I can cite significant and relevant textual evidence to support a complete analysis of what the text says explicitly. Your classwork is in Google Classroom once again. Students, today we will continue to use the passage Brazil's Snake Island Legend Meets Science. In fact, we will be using this reading all week to complete our assignments. The more you read the passage, the better you understand it. Be sure to review the passage and reread it as necessary. So number 1, we have our announcements. We've already gone over. Number 2, you have a video that you're going to view that's called Using Text Evidence, and that is in Google Classroom. It's very short. It's like less than 3 minutes. Number 3, reread the passage, Brazil's Snake Island Legend Meets Science. Be sure to read carefully so that you can identify important pieces of textual evidence to support statements. And I have attached your passage once again in your Google Classroom. And then number 4, Snake Island Finding Textual Evidence Activity. You may refer back to the passage as necessary. In fact, I suggest that you refer back to the passage as many times as needed. You can split screen your computer so that you can view the passage and the Google form at the same time. And this is in Google Classroom. Okay, your Google form is not timed, so if it takes you 20 minutes to answer all of the questions, that's totally fine. If you're only taking a couple of minutes to do it, you're probably not going to do so well. So please make sure, once again, that you're reading the passage as many times as you need to in order to get the correct answer, okay? And then all your links are down here for your Google Classroom. So let's take a look at them. So for Tuesday, it's going to be under this category, DLD Week 5 Nonfiction. Okay, so for Tuesday, this is what your assignment looks like. So these are your instructions. We went over all of this already. This is due at the end of the day today. And down here at the bottom, I have attached 3 things for you. This is the video you are to watch, which is number 1 on your agenda. Number 2 is to reread the passage, and that is your second attachment here. And then the third thing, these are your finding textual evidence questions, and that's your Google form down here, okay? And you don't have to click, well, you have to submit your Google form, but you don't have to turn in this copy of the story at all, okay? So the only thing that you have to actually submit is the Google form. All right, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. All right, bye guys.